Hi, this is Sharon from Sharon Shed Signs and Design. I'm going to get started painting. I've taped off my areas on my round, which this is a 16-inch round from Craft Deals. I am going to use Dixie Belle drop cloth to paint the bottom and the top sections of my board. All right, I'm going to dry this real quick. That's dry enough. This is just called Shamrock pattern, and it has a bonus. And I'm going to use another Dixie Belle paint, and this one is called Tree Frog Green. I do like this color. He's going pretty fast. All right, that is that. I'm going to dry those and move my tape. I don't know why I wadded that tape up. I could use it again, but I didn't. I'm going to go just inside. All right. I'm going to use my Tree Frog Green. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take my tape off and see if I've got places that I need to fix. Oh, so far so good on that part. Green looks kind of like it's got thin places, but I'm thinking when I dry it, all right, I don't have to fix anything. It will be better. Now that doesn't look right. My plan is to do some shadowing with this. Let's see how this works out, though. I am going to take this, and I'm going to do it in Dixie Belle Caviar first, and then I'm going to do the top in drop cloth. That's the plan. But instead of moving up, I can move down. I am not going to shadow the 100,000 welcomes. I don't like shadowing that much on the smaller. In fact, it looks pretty good in black, but I think I'll go ahead and do what I planned after I get this dry. I've started using press and seal to keep my jar lids from sticking, but I make a mess even with that, I have to admit. My drop cloth. I need a fresh shop towel. That one's pretty bad. See, am I going to use black again? No, I don't think so. Shop towel. And I'm going to line this up again, exactly where it was, I think, I hope. And then, because I'm near the top of my green section, instead of going up, I'm going to go down just a little and to my right. All right, that looks like it'll be okay to me. Need a second coat just to keep it looking white instead of gray. And sometimes when it's not filling in real well, I reverse directions on my circles, and that fills it in. Okay, I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to give it a second coat. Alrighty. Don't need that. Done with the white. The drop cloth, rather. So there is that completed. I think that looks good. I wasn't sure if it would or not. I hope you like it. I think it looks good. I'm going to lay it aside and grab my cutting board. That's a Walmart cutting board. I'm going to do the edges right now. I'll just do the top. All right. I'm going to use Faith, Hope, and Love from the Love Sayings 6-inch set. There's 6 stencils, 6x6 stencils. I'm going to paint it with Fusion Mineral Paint Metallic Gold. All right, there's Faith, Hope, and Love. I'm going to use a rose from the Pink Roses Rub-On Transfers. Okay, so once you've laid it down, you're committed. You have to leave it where it is or you'll have a mess. All right, and there that is. And I am going to take my black soot Ranger Distressed Oxide. Okay, there is our cutting board. Thank you, thank you. And now, go back to my door hanger. There is our hanger. So that's both of our projects. Thank you all for joining me this evening. Always appreciate your time and your support. And I love you guys, and I'll see you all next time. Okay, bye-bye.